OpenAI introduced a significant new feature called structure output part their API. Purpose structure output ensures that model generated output match JSON schema provided by developers. Last year, OpenAI introduced JSON model to improve model reliability by generating valid JSON output. How to use structure output? We are introducing structure output in the two palm and the API function calling in the output like a previous method with available in the GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 turbo and the later structure. This is the previous method and the new method. A new option for the response parameter. Developer can now supply a JSON schema where a new option for the parameter. This is useful when the model is not calling a tool but rather responding to the user in a structured way. This feature works with our newest GPT-4o model and GPT-4 many model used in the response supplied by the structure output. Other features, self-structure outputs. Self-structure output is the top priority of OpenAI in this feature and native SDK support, Python SDK update. Additional use cases, assistant response format by the JSON schema assistant, uh, landing page for a granular sign up screen and stock price web price. Extracting structured data for unstructured data. Under the hood, limitation and restrictions, availability. This is important. Availability output is generally available today, and the API structure output and with function calling is available. All models that support function calling in the API. This including our newest model GPT-4o and GPT-4o many. All model after and including GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 turbo and any point-tuned model that support function calling. This functionality is available on the chat completion API, assistant API, and batch API. Structure output with function calling is also compatible with version input. Structure output response made GPT-4o many model and GPT-4o model. And any fine tuning based on these models is this functionality is available on the chart completion API, assistant API, and batch API. Structure output with response format is also compatible with version inputs. By switching to the new GPT-4o, developers have 50% input and 2.51 million input tokens cost and 33% on output, $10 1 million output tokens compared to GPT-4o. To start using structure output, check document